Today in court, Alicia Allen stood before the judge and accepted responsibility. She admitted she allowed an ineligible driver to operate her vehicle, a misdemeanor that could carry jail time and fines.
Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perny on behalf of Miss Allen. State your name for the record, please.
Alicia Allen.
All right, I have before me a plea form that indicates she's going to plead to an added count 2 of allowing an ineligible driver to operate a motor vehicle to 90-day offense. Upon her successful plea to that charge, count 1 would be dismissed. That's the court's full understanding of the agreement.
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, very good. May I have her sworn?
Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear to affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole.
As she entered her guilty plea, the judge reminded her that she was giving up her right to trial and appeal. Alicia confirmed she understood everything and was pleading voluntarily.
Ma'am, it is this court's understanding you're going to plead guilty to the charge of allowing an ineligible driver to operate a motor vehicle. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 90 days incarceration, a $100 fine plus court costs. Do you understand that?
Yes. Yes.
All right. Still wish to plead guilty?
Yes.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you will not have a trial of any kind.
Yes.
All right. You had signed an advice of rights form. Is that correct?
Yes.
Any question about any of those rights?
No.
Look at paragraph 5. You'll see a copy on the podium. Those are your rights which are part of the trial. You understand that by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
Yes.
During questioning, Alicia admitted she had control of the vehicle on February 27th and knowingly let an ineligible driver take the wheel. This was a key part of the court's decision.
Yes.
Which one?
Probation.
Okay. Were you on probation at the time of this offense?
Yes.
All right. I do have to advise you then that this could be considered a violation of probation. If it is, the other court could sentence you to the maximum allowable under that other charge. You understand that?
Yes.
Still wish to plead guilty to this charge?
Yes.
Anybody promise you anything other than what's been stated here today on the
No.
record? Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No.
You're doing this voluntarily
Yes.
of your own free will
Yes.
and because you believe you're guilty?
Yes.
All right. On the date of February 27, 2025, at the location of Carpenter Road, Pittsfield Township.
The court also noted that Alicia was already on probation when the offense happened. This could count as a violation in her other case, potentially increasing her consequences.
Yes.
Did you allow someone who was otherwise ineligible to operate that motor vehicle?
Yes.
Counsel? Well, I do have to advise you that between the time of sentencing and the time of this plea, if you commit misconduct as defined in the Michigan court rules, court would not be bound by any sentence evaluation and or recommendation, and you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea. Understand
Yes.
that? Counsel, are you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Yeah.
And have I complied with the court rule?
Yes.
Court will accept the defendant's plea to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed.
Your Honor, regarding sentencing, if I may.
In the end, the judge dismissed the first count, accepted her guilty plea on the second, and sentenced her to 38 days, time already served, plus $125 in fines and costs.
Miss Allen has been in custody for 38 days, correct? She is being held on a felony. Her next court date is before Judge Hamoud on December 1st. So she'll be in custody for at least another, what would that be, a week and a half, depending on what Judge Hamoud does. She's asking for a credit for time served sentence.
Why would I do that?
Because she's been in for a while. She resolved the case. She's probably going to go to treatment when she gets out. It's a lot of money. Shall I stop there?
No. If you want to keep going, you just keep going.
I think that's all I got.
Wow, that. Ma'am, anything you want to tell me before I do a both sentence?
No.
Not going to ask you that.
There.
All right. Fines and costs just go to the minimum $125. 38 days in jail, credit 38, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.